like to move the audience to another country, to Romania, with our next speaker, Dr. Bratu, who will speak on climate change in Carpathian Mountains, Carpathian region. The floor is yours. You're very welcome to take your time. Thank
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Today, I wish to present you the material Climate Change in Carpathian Forest, Natural Logging in Sibiu Area Case Study, identifying the effects of climate change in the forest in the Sibiu area, forest wind damage. So I'm Assistant Professor Iulian Bratu from Faculty of Agriculture Science, Food Industry and Environmental Protection, Lucian Blaga University from Sibiu, Romania. As we can see, climate change is no longer just a theoretical notion affecting our everyday life. Coding virus color from green to red, announced by the National Meteorological Agency promptly, which change according to the speed of wind and precipitation intensity. This paper proposed the use of state-of-the-art science information technology solution for the early determination and detection of natural disaster caused by wind and snow in the National Forest Fund. So, my study is located in Rășnar District, Sibiu County, Romania. For monitoring change in forest vegetation due to the abiotic factor, especially wind or snow breaks, the present study was based on Sentinel-2 image having the RGB visible bandwidth as well as near-infrared to determine the normalized differential vegetation index with a pixel size of 10 meters. The three classical RGB bands, blue, green, and red, and a near-infrared band. For this study, I use resources from European Space Agency, Sentinel-2 multispectral band, Quantum G software, and semi-automatic classification plugin for QGIS. For identifying the image in location area, I use this plugin, semi-automatic classification, and the QGIS software. Sentinel provides image satellite imagery with 12 bands, and we use only 3 bands, band 2 for blue, band 3 for green, band 4 red, and infrared is the band 8. The combination of the first 3, band 2, 3, and 4, result in true color image. Band composition 3, 4, and 8, green, red, and infrared, conduce lead to image false infrared color, with which the area with active vegetation can easily be identified. Healthy vegetation, chlorophyll, reflects more near-infrared and green light compared to other wavelengths, but it absorbs more red and blue light. This is why our eyes see vegetation as the color green. So, to determine normalized differential vegetation index, I use the formula which involves band 8 and band 4, respectively near infrared and red. The NDVI value is between -1 and +1. So low reflectance or low values in the red channel and high reflectance in near infrared channel will yield a high NDVI values. This is characteristic for a good health of vegetation. In this regard, the area covered with forest was monitored, for which Sentinel-2 multispectral imagery were collected during 2015 and 2018, and then the NDVI vegetation index was determined. So here we have the first image in 2015. In the left side, we see the image in true color, and in the right side, we see the image in NDVI. So we see for the start normal vegetation, and the area has a good and healthy vegetation. In 2016, we see an area with a broken tree, and here on the right side, we see that area colored in red. In 2017, the surface is reduced because the surface was planted with tree. So in 2018, the surface is almost regenerated with trees. So in this study, were used the data provided by Sentinel-2, managed with free open source software for GIS and semi-automatic classification plugin. Using GIS technology, area affected by abiotic destabilizing factor were identified. Forest management has been able to make the most suitable decision in this case, and as we can see, especially using NDVI, the affected area is regenerated. We use as input 4 spectral bands of Sentinel-2 resampled to 10 megapixel per size. Although the precision assumed is high compared to other free products, such as Landsat 8, where the pixel has 40 meters. For high accuracy, we recommend the use of multispectral camera drone. So I thank you for your patience.
Thank you so much for your presentation, experience, research, and the experience. And thank you for your profound analysis of state of forests in Carpathian Mountains from the side of Romania.